Let's learn about colors with Daphne and Max. Hi there. I'm Daphne.
Hi there. I'm Max. Let's learn about colors today. You need 3 colors to make all other colors. These 3 colors are called primary colors. The first color is this rich bright red. The second color is a bright sunny yellow.
The third color is this beautiful blue. Red, yellow, and blue.
These are called primary colors.
What happens if you mix the colors? Let's mix red with yellow and see what happens.
Wow! When I mixed red with yellow, it made the color orange.
Can you name some of these items that are the color orange? What happens if you mix the colors yellow and blue? Let's mix yellow with blue and see what happens. Awesome! When we mixed the colors blue and yellow, we made the color green. Can you name some of the items here that are the color green? What happens if you mix the colors red and blue? Let's mix red with blue. Amazing! We made the color purple by mixing the colors red and blue.
Can you name some of the items shown here that are the color purple?
Can you name the 3 primary colors? Let's see what we have learned so far. 1. That's right. Yellow. 2. That's right. Blue. 3. That's right. Red. Great job. Can you guess what 2 colors make the color green? That's right. Yellow and blue. Can you guess what 2 colors make the color orange? That's right. Red and yellow. Can you guess what 2 colors make the color purple or violet? That's right. Red and blue.
This is the beginning of the color wheel used in art. We start with the 3 primary colors red, blue and yellow. When you add red to yellow, you make the color orange. When you add blue to yellow, it makes green. When you add red to blue, it makes purple or violet. Learning about colors is fun.